How to use a Roblox support ticket. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com. And once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, from your home page, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find help right over here. So go ahead and tap on help. Once you tap onto it, help.roblox.com is going to open up in your screen. And then in this page, you'll find different kind of problems with their solutions. So let's say I need help with my account. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this one. So inside here, you'll then be able to find all the articles. So let's say I forgot my password. So I'm going to go ahead and tap onto this. And then it's going to show you how to recover your password. If it does not help, you want to scroll below and then simply tap on Need More Help and Contact Support here. So once you tap onto it, this page is going to open up, which is the ticket support. So inside here, you want to go ahead and type in your username. Your email address is really important. So go ahead and type in your email address, confirm your email address. Also select the device that you're having problem on, select the health category, and also don't forget to describe your issue. So once you're done, simply tap on continue and then Roblox is gonna get back to you in your email address. Well, that is simply how to use Roblox support ticket. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.